Hello again from Candlelight Trading. I'm Natalie and I host the live trade room where I trade futures from 8:30 to 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time on Mondays through Fridays. So today was day 2 of the $3,000 challenge and I want to share with you the results. But before I do, please take a minute to read the disclaimer. Okay, so rather than scrolling through the trades of the day, today, I would like to share with you something else that happened which I feel could really be a valuable lesson. So if you saw the video from yesterday, from day 1 of the challenge, you saw that we hit our daily target of $200 within about the first 20 minutes of the market's open. Today was a bit more work. We started the day a bit down, then we were up a bit, then down a bit, and up a bit. Moves were not really following through, and it just took a little bit more work. So finally, once we were back up to $125.90 of profit, that's after commission, it wasn't quite the daily target, but still profitable, so I had a decision to make. It was 11:30 in the morning, and you can see that here. When we closed the last trade, it was 11:29.58 to be precise, and I had to make a decision about what I was going to do. The bottom line is always to put profit in your pocket. So I made a decision that no matter what, I would not let the account be negative for the day. I said that I would allow myself one more trade with no more than a $50 risk. So worst case scenario, I was going to come out of the day about $75 in profit. Then I would be done for the day and switch to swim. I also said that no matter what, even if I lost a trade, the next trade, if it was even less than a $50 loss, so let's say I went in the next trade and I lost $25, $30, whatever it was, I would still shut down and switch to sim. Alright, so let me show you what happened. I had been watching the Dow here for a move based on my Fibonacci system. We had a move up and then a retracement into one of my levels that I use. And I put this tool on that tells me where my targets are. So this tells me that my first target was up here at 24,689 and my second target was up here at 24,740. I had some other levels of significance in here. There was a developing value area high, so I really felt that if we got to the, up through this first target, we should be able to get up to that developing value area high. I had some other homework levels as well that if we could push through. I had an area, you can see this green area up here, that was an area of resistance that I had also highlighted and felt that easily we could get to this second target. So, the last 2 trades that you saw, one happened right at about 11:18 a.m. in the morning, so right in here. And I did take a long here in the live account. This is a sim account that I'm showing you right now, but I did take that long in there, and I wrote it up to target 1. Okay? And then that one did stop me out right in, just in here. And I got out. That trade was the one that was $125. I was actually $130, but $125.94 after commission. Alright, so I really felt though that we still could head up and hit this target 2. So I was waiting for a pullback to be able to take the second entry in as long as we held above point of control and above the VWAP, which is this yellow line here and the pink line. So we'll scroll forward here. And the next trade that I took was at 11:39. So you're going to see where that's going to come in here soon. So it was right in here. Okay, off of this pop-up in here, you can see order flow was confirming my entry. We had pushed down below VWAP and point of control. Then we pushed back up, and on this bar that retraced in here, I took this one here. However, I did tighten up my stop and got out of that one with just $10. Okay? So I really felt that we still, had a pretty good chance of making it up to that second target. But that was the point at which I said, okay, one more trade, and no matter what, if it loses, I'm done. Now, if it's winning, that will, we raise the minimum will go down again. But if it loses, I'm done. So at 11:39, so let's scroll forward to 11:39. Right in here, I get another possible entry, another chance to take the trade again. All right, I put my stop at the low. Let's see what price. I'm looking here at the orders, and the price that I got in at was 24,677. So just as it pushed up above VWAP in here, and I put in a 6-tick stop. So my stop was at 71. It managed to stop me out for a $30 loss plus commission, so it was a $34.06 loss. So you can see that here on the P&L. So right here is where I got in at 24,677, out at 24,671 for a $30 loss plus with commission, $34.06, putting my net P&L for the day to $91.84. So as per my rules, I said that no matter what at that point, I was going to call it a day. So I shut down the live account, I went to Sim, and because it was 11:40 a.m. in the room, we also said goodbye to everybody and closed the trade room. Right after I closed the trade room, this is what the Dow did. I get another pullback down in on the Dow. This time my pullback does not come all the way down to the low, but rather holds. This is a 9 EMA here. This is point of control, this pink line, and this is VWAP. Here it holds, and I'm watching it, and I'm watching it. So now it pushes below point of control, but here we bounce. We hold above VWAP, we bounce above point of control. I see this entry. Again, I am still looking to target all the way up here at 24,740. Actually, right in here, as soon as the price had dipped below, I had a finished auction. I had some buyers that took out these little lumps of sellers in here. I wanted to take this long. I was already on Sim. I was so tempted to switch back to the live account, but follow your rules. Do not do that. So I said, nope, but I will trade this trade in Sim. Now remember, I'm targeting up here at 24,740. Let's watch what happens. And this trade just took off all the way up through, up through, up through. Let's move the fib over so you can see. Right to target 2. See it there? Right up to target 2. And what did I make on that trade? $300 more. So, had I taken this trade in the live account, I would have more than made the daily target. It was a beautiful trade. It just went straight on up. I trailed my stop all the way up. It was beautiful. Was it frustrating? Absolutely yes. But was it the right thing to do? 100% yes. In order to make it in trading, it requires discipline. Discipline, discipline, discipline. You have a set of rules, you follow those set of rules, and no matter what, if you miss a trade, you miss a trade. Oh well, there'll be more trades tomorrow. It's not a problem. That trade could have easily have gone against me and ended up making me negative for the day. And how many times have we done that? I've done it many a time thinking, well, just one more trade. This setup looks perfect. A lot of times they look perfect, and then all of a sudden they don't work. So you follow your rules, you pocket your profit, and you let it go. But what did I do? I was able to continue to practice my skills. Always practice your skills. I don't care how good you are at trading. You continue to practice your skills. And also continues to confirm that your system that you use continues to work. So I just thought that that was worth sharing. Because I really felt that that was a good lesson for the day. So overall, to end it out, day 2, profit of $91.84, which does not quite hit the daily target of $200, but hey, any green day in the market is a good day. So I'd love for you to join the room. If you click on the link below in the YouTube description, you can receive a discount code to get a special discount off during the $3,000 challenge and learn how to pocket your profits. All right, thanks. Have a great day, and I hope to see you in the room.